Are you worried about your liver health, feeling tired, experiencing joint pain, or just want to support this vital organ naturally? Today, I'm sharing 7 simple doctor-approved foods that can help support your liver function, and you probably have some of them in your kitchen right now. Hi, I'm Dr. Beendra. In my 30-plus years of medical practice, I've seen countless patients concerned about their liver health. The good news? Nature has provided us with powerful foods that can support liver function. Today, I'm going to share evidence-based, practical advice that you can start using immediately. Before we begin, remember, this is educational information, not a replacement for medical advice. Always consult your doctor for your specific health concerns. Let me first explain why your liver is so important. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. Think of it as your body's filtering system and chemical factory combined. What does your liver do? It performs over 500 different functions. Let me share the most important ones. First, it detoxifies harmful substances from your blood, things like medications, alcohol, and environmental toxins. Second, it produces bile, a special fluid that helps digest fats and absorb important nutrients. Third, it helps produce and regulate hormones that control everything from your energy levels to your metabolism. Fourth, it stores essential vitamins and minerals and releases them when your body needs them. And importantly, it helps regulate your blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Now, here's something many people don't know. Your liver doesn't actually store toxins. Instead, it processes and eliminates them. However, when the liver becomes fatty or damaged, it can't perform these functions efficiently. How do you know if your liver needs extra support? Let me share some common signs that many of my patients have experienced. You might notice unusual itchiness on your skin without any rash. You may feel constantly tired or lethargic, even after sleeping well. Some people experience yellowing of the skin or whites of the eyes. This is called jaundice and requires immediate medical attention. Joint pain and stiffness can also be related to liver health. Many people don't realize this connection. Feeling nauseous frequently, especially after meals, can be a sign. You might also experience brain fog or difficulty concentrating. And if you've been diagnosed with gallstones, this is often related to liver function as the liver produces bile that helps prevent stone formation. Important. If you experience any of these symptoms, please consult your doctor for proper diagnosis. These symptoms can indicate various health conditions and only a medical professional can determine the cause. Now, let's talk about the good news. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate itself when given the right support. The foods I'm going to share with you today have been studied extensively in medical research. They contain natural compounds that may help support liver function, reduce inflammation, and promote overall liver health. In my experience with thousands of patients, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet has helped many people feel better and support their liver health naturally. If you're finding this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Dr. Beendra for more trusted health advice every week. Food number 1, cruciferous vegetables. First on our list are cruciferous vegetables, and these are powerful. I'm talking about broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, and radishes. These vegetables contain a special compound called sulforaphane, which research shows may help support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Sulforaphane can help reduce inflammation in the liver, which is crucial because inflammation can lead to serious problems over time. Here's what's interesting. Studies suggest that eating cruciferous vegetables regularly may help improve insulin sensitivity and support healthy blood sugar levels, which indirectly benefits your liver. My practical tip, try to eat at least 1 cup of cruciferous vegetables daily. You can have them in salads, lightly steamed, or in soups. If you cook them, don't overcook. Light steaming is best to preserve their beneficial compounds. Adding a little mustard to cooked broccoli or cauliflower can actually help activate more sulforaphane. And here's a bonus tip. Broccoli sprouts are even more powerful. Just a small handful on your salad can provide significant benefits. Food number 2, garlic. Garlic is not just for flavor. It's a powerful supporter of liver health. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that may help the liver with its detoxification processes. Research has shown that garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In my practice, I've seen patients who regularly consume garlic report feeling more energetic and healthier overall. Garlic may also help reduce fat accumulation in the liver when combined with a healthy diet. It's also rich in vitamin B, which is important for overall metabolism. How to use it? Add 1-2 cloves of fresh garlic to your daily meals. You can add it to vegetables, lentils, or soups. For maximum benefit, crush the garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This activates its beneficial compounds. Caution: if you're taking blood thinning medications, please consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of garlic. Food number 3, turmeric. Turmeric, especially the compound curcumin found in it, is like medicine from nature for your liver. Multiple studies have shown that curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect liver cells from damage. It may also help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and support the liver's regeneration abilities. In my experience, patients who have included turmeric in their daily routine often report feeling less sluggish and more energetic. How to use it? Add half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to your meals daily. You can mix it in warm milk, add it to curries, or sprinkle it on vegetables. Adding a pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb curcumin better. This is scientifically proven. Note: if you have gallbladder problems or are on certain medications, consult your doctor before taking turmeric supplements. Are you already using any of these foods? Let me know in the comments below. And if this information is helping you, please share this video with your family and friends. Food number 4, beets. Beets are wonderful for supporting liver health. These colorful root vegetables contain special plant compounds called betalains that may help support the liver's detoxification processes. Research suggests that beets may help reduce liver enzymes when they're elevated, support bile production, and reduce inflammation in the liver. Bile is important because it helps digest fats and eliminate waste products. How to use them? You can have half to 1 cup of steamed or boiled beets 2-3 times per week. Add them to salads, make beetroot soup, or have them as a side dish. Avoid juicing large quantities of beets, as this can spike blood sugar levels. For diabetic patients, beets do contain natural sugars, so consume them in moderation and monitor your blood sugar levels. A half cup of cooked beets contains about 6-7 grams of carbohydrates. Food number 5, mushrooms. Mushrooms are nature's gift for liver health. They contain high amounts of a compound called glutathione, which is one of the liver's most important antioxidants. Studies show that mushrooms, especially varieties like oyster mushrooms and shiitake, may help protect liver cells and support overall liver function. How to use them? Include 1-2 cups of cooked mushrooms in your weekly diet. You can add them to vegetable soups or have them sauteed with minimal oil. Make sure to cook mushrooms properly. Never eat them raw. Tip: common button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, and shiitake are all excellent choices and easily available. Food number 6, avocados. Avocados are not just delicious. They're excellent for your liver. They're high in glutathione and healthy fats that support liver function. Research has shown that eating just 1 avocado per week may help improve liver enzyme levels and reduce inflammation in the liver. The healthy fats in avocados are also anti-inflammatory. How to use them? Try to include half to 1 avocado in your diet 2-3 times per week. You can add sliced avocado to salads, make guacamole, or have it with whole grain toast. Note: avocados are calorie dense, so if you're watching your weight, be mindful of portion sizes. Food number 7, extra virgin olive oil. Last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean staple is wonderful for liver health. Studies have shown that consuming just 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil daily may help reduce fat in the liver, improve insulin sensitivity, and decrease inflammation. The key is using genuine cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, not regular vegetable oils. How to use it? Use 1-2 teaspoons as salad dressing daily. You can also drizzle it over cooked vegetables. Avoid heating olive oil to very high temperatures. It's best used raw or for light cooking. Important: choose quality extra virgin olive oil from reputable brands. Now, let me share some additional practical tips that can help support your liver health. First, stay well hydrated. Drink 8-10 glasses of water daily. Your liver needs water to function properly. Second, limit alcohol consumption. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation or avoid it completely if you have liver concerns. Third, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can lead to fatty liver disease. Fourth, exercise regularly. Even 30 minutes of walking daily can help support liver health. Fifth, limit processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats. These put extra stress on your liver. Sixth, get adequate sleep, 7-8 hours per night. Your liver does important repair work while you sleep. Have you tried any of these liver supporting foods? What was your experience? Share in the comments. I love hearing from you. Now, this is very important. Please listen carefully. While these foods can support liver health, you must consult a doctor if you experience persistent yellowing of skin or eyes, severe abdominal pain, especially in the upper right area, dark-colored urine or pale-colored stools, persistent nausea or vomiting, unexplained weight loss, severe fatigue that doesn't improve with rest, swelling in your legs or abdomen, easy bruising or bleeding. These could indicate serious liver problems that require immediate medical attention. Also, if you have been diagnosed with any liver condition like hepatitis, cirrhosis, or fatty liver disease, please work with your doctor on your diet and treatment plan. Don't make major dietary changes without consulting your healthcare provider. If you're taking medications for liver conditions or any other health problems, ask your doctor before adding these foods in large quantities, as some can interact with medications. Let me quickly summarize the key points for you. First, include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and kale in your daily diet for their sulforaphane content. Second, add garlic and turmeric to your meals regularly for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Third, include beets, mushrooms, and avocados weekly to support liver function with glutathione and other beneficial compounds. Fourth, use extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking oil and in salads. Fifth, combine these foods with a healthy lifestyle, good hydration, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and limited alcohol. Remember, friends, this is general health advice based on scientific research and my clinical experience. For your specific health situation, please consult your doctor. These foods support liver health, but they're not a replacement for medical treatment if you have a liver condition. If this video helped you understand liver health better, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Dr. Beendra for more trusted, evidence-based health advice every week. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our health tips. Share this video with your family and friends who might benefit from this information. Your health matters, and so does theirs. Thank you for watching Dr. Beendra. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, small dietary changes can make a big difference over time. See you in the next video. Take care.